What's going on guys, Kyle here from Guidewise, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your first gig on Fiverr. Once you're in Fiverr, in the top right corner, select your profile and then switch to selling. Then select My Business in the top row, Gigs, and then create a new gig. Enter a title that explains the service that you will be providing. You can then select a category and subcategory. So for example, if we're doing graphics and design, and then logo design. You can then select gig metadata, logo type, monogram, file format, PNG. You can also add positive keywords, for example, logo, design, websites. Once you have added those in, select the declaration and then save and continue. You can then select your scope and pricing, adding the type of packages and how much each will cost. You can also upload images and videos showcasing your work. Once you've completed it, buyers then will be able to see what you offer. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to Guidewise.